This is very honestly a surprise for me. Aruna, you caught me off guard. Um, Thank you for this. It's an honor. More so because when I see the incredible range of heroes that have been on this stage, and I know who are yet to come up on stage, it truly, truly is an honor. And when you think, okay, what more can I do in life? What should I do next? There's so much of inspiration around. And our brave heart, Nirbhaya, the kind of courage that child had shown is unimaginable. I'd also like to say her parents are the brave hearts from whom she has come. And my heart goes out to them, yes, but even more, I salute them. Parents like that and children like that will keep our nation where we need to be, ahead, growing, healthy, successful, vibrant, and alive. Thank you so much to everybody out there who's doing every little bit to make this world around us a better place. Women's rights, children's rights, cleaner air, less pollution, organic food, whatever it takes. Thank you so much. Ritz, thank you so much. Aruna, I've said it before, I'm saying it again. You're incredibly dynamic. And what you have built and what you are building here is something truly remarkable and so inspiring to so many others. Congratulations and thank you again so much.
Well, thank you very much for very, very kind words. Aruna, thank you. I'm here because of you. You've been very gracious as a host and as well as an invitee, and I'm really touched that Ritz thinks it's an honor to give me an award. I am honored by that honor. Thank you so much. I had a mixed feeling when I was here because I was going to meet the parents of Nirbhaya and the rest of the people who I think are far more deserving of such an award as this and recognition. And compared to all that you've been through, your sacrifices and the inspiration that you've derived from your tragedy, my award seems very easily won. I don't know how many of you all really followed what Nirbhaya's father said. It was in Hindi, but the content of his speech was that such an incident happened and then we haven't really achieved anything after that. The whole nation got together, we protested, we had ordinances passed, laws made, and then these brutalities continue. भाई साहब, मैं आपसे ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि मुझे एहसास है कि जब भी हम इस बारे में बात करते हैं आपको कितना दर्द होता होगा. मुझे पता है कि जब इसकी जिक्र होती होगी तो एक माँ बाप के दिल में क्या गुजरती है. पर मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि आपकी उपस्थिति से ऐसे जगहों में हमें कम से कम ये याद आता है कि किस भयानक स्थिति में हम इस देश में जी रहे हैं. और मैं आपको यकीन दिलाना चाहता हूँ कि हम जो आप कह रहे हैं कि नौजवान जनरेशन है, हम ज़रूर कुछ ना कुछ इसके बारे में करेंगे. भले ही छोटे ही तरीके से हो, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि ये हमारा फ़र्ज़ बनता है कि ऐसे दर्दनाक जो चीज़ हम औरतों के साथ कर रहे हैं उसको पहले समझें और फिर उसकी सलाह निकालें. What I was trying to say is that these events continue to happen, and maybe despite the punishments that we meted out to these people, despite the stick that we have to say don't do this, it continues to happen. So maybe the punishment is not a deterrent. And if the punishment is not a deterrent, then we have to look into the actual source of the problem very differently. What is it about? What is it about women in India that we are so easily able to set aside and say violence with them, or the brutality with which we commit these violence with them is justified? So I'd really think it's more of a social issue than law. And if this is continue to happen, then I think as youngsters, we are responsible for having to create the kind of nation where we're not ashamed about India when such a news was to break out internationally. I was there in the United States of America at that time when this thing happened, and everybody looked at me accusingly. In the gym, they really looked at me and said, "Really, this is what happens in your country?" And I'm telling you, that's not what India is all about. I know that for sure. So I accept this with a very sober sense of achievement. Thank you so much for firstly bringing the likes of Nirbhaya and the rest of the people who have achieved the award in this section to the forefront so that we know what they've been through. And my slightest request, I think, is that I personally want to actually kill somebody when they don't go out and vote on the day that elections happen. And my request would be, we have a very important election coming up, as the least you can do to help people like the family of Nirbhaya is to go at least have your voice heard and the electoral ballot. Thank you so much.
Really honored to get this award. Thank you so much. And just dedicate this award to all my fans, because I always say whenever I get something, I am what I am is because of my fans and because of their support towards me. It just gives me a lot of hope to work more harder. And definitely my backbone, my mom. Thank you so much. And thank you everybody out here. Thank you.
కులు కులు వెంపని పోల సలసల సల్లడయాగా పల పల కర్పణை మోల పరకవ ఉన్నిனை పాగ.
Good evening, everyone. And I'm actually not an award person. I'm really honored, and I don't take this as an achievement. I just feel like, there's a lot more to go. And thanks for the encouragement, and thanks to Reds. Thank you so much. Bye.
Good evening, everyone. The reason why I made it a point to come here was just to get rid of my mental block, because I have a major stage fear phobia. As I speak, I'm still shivering. Thank you, Rich. I've always wanted to get rid of my fears, so I decided to do a cover shoot for Rich. I got rid of that phobia. Now, I think I should get rid of this also after this. The Icon Award it rings a bell inside me saying I can perform. So thank you for honoring me. Not only me, it's a lovely opportunity. I get to meet stalwarts from various fields. I don't think no other platform would give me an opportunity to meet others. Always get to see from my own field. So it's really nice. All the best to everyone over here. God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
எல்லாருக்கும் Alarikum Vanakkam rather. It's a pleasure to be standing on the stage with the true icons of this evening. You know, it really puts life into perspective when us film stars are here and you have the true heroes like Lakshmi and everyone here this evening has really done themselves proud. I am very overwhelmed to be in this industry. It's part of my life now. The South Indian film industry is very important to me. 4 years ago, I would never have known I'd be here today. And a lot of that goes down to my parents and also my guru, Vijay, the director. So thank you very much to him, and this is dedicated to him. Thank you.
Praise the Lord. Well, I would like to thank Ritz, and I would also like to wish them on the 5th year. And I, first of all, I'll take this opportunity to thank my parents who put me onto music since my childhood and throughout my musical sojourn. They have supported me, and my master, Mr. A. Abdul Sattar, and yes, my wife who has accompanied me till this venue, and of course way back home. I love you, Suma. Yes, I would like to dedicate this award to Nirbhaya and Lakshmi, who faced the situation bravely and courageously, and it's a great source of inspiration. Long live their name and the fame.
Thank you, Ritz, for having me honored with this prestigious award. Well, inspiring icon. I would like to thank all my directors, my audience, fans, well-wishers. It's their love that made an aspiring girl like me get transformed into an inspiring icon. Thank you so much to all. Thank you. Thank you, Ritz.
Okay, but you know, I always like the audience also, you know, I'd love to have you guys singing along with me. So if you're okay with that, I'm okay with anything. Okay, are you guys ready? It is a few of you. Let's sing. Ringa 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 re. I want to see
Got
who that
some
person
fans
is.
in the house, yeah.
Anyway, thanks a lot, guys. I'm really happy to receive this award, and whenever we receive an award or whatever, what makes us more happy is both the personalities who came up on the stage to present me the award. Both of them said, "Sir, I'm a huge fan of you," and she said, "I'm a huge fan of you." That made me more happy. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir, because that is the real award. And I don't know whoever that is screaming from behind. Thanks a lot, dear, darling, darling. Thanks, darling, because it's a girl, and I'm more happy about it now. And yeah. As everybody said, I mean, everybody spoke so beautifully on the stage, so I've got no words left to say anything more beautiful than what they said. But still, one thing I would like to say is, Lakshmi, I would like to dedicate this award to you and to Nirbhaya too, because working is always for getting a name, and that's pure selfishness. And receiving an award for the work that we did, is just like a bonus. So getting an award is not a great thing, but trying to inspire people from the kind of life that you're leading now, I think it's really a great thing, you know. I don't know if I'm putting my words right, because I'm actually kind of emotional inside. I think I should really say, we all must really say hats off to you people. And yeah, I love my sister, I love my mother, and all my friends who are girls, and all my teachers, everybody. So I think it's definitely the first and the most responsibility, the biggest responsibility, to take care of all the women and girls who are around us, and who are around all over the world actually. So wish and hope we all do that. And then every award makes sense. Thanks a lot. And thank you so much, Ritz. Thanks a lot, because I'm always thankful to anybody who gives me an award, because I love it.
Yo, this is the chance. Let's do sing and dance. Let's sing and dance.
முதல்ல இவ்வளோ நேரம் பொறுமையாக உட்காந்த எல்லாருக்கும் ரொம்ப நன்றி. மோஸ்ட்லி எனக்கு அவார்டு கொடுக்கும்போது யாருமே இருக்க மாட்டாங்க. தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச். அண்ட் ரெட்ஸ்க்கு ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ். அண்ட் ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருக்குது. என்னென்னு சொல்கிறேன்னு தெரில. குமுதா ஹாப்பி என்னாச்சு.